In this video, I'm gonna tell you if the Google UX course is still relevant in 2023, is it worth taking, what parts of the course aren't really worth your time, and what to supplement it with for the best results. Time flies. In 2021, I reviewed the Google UX course, and back then I had some mixed feelings about it.
So naturally now when Google made their own course on UX design, I decided to give it a try.
But after that, I've seen some other courses, also by pretty prominent brands, and I realized that it's actually not that bad. Google's offering is likely the best UX course for the money. Many of the issues that I raised in that initial video have been fixed and addressed, so this is all good. But does it still make sense to take the Google UX course right now, 2 years later?
Well, we're waiting.
Yes and no. I'll explain both in a minute, but first let me address the biggest misconception people have about the Google UX course.
This is important, goddammit!
Yes, at the end of the course you'll get a Google UX design certificate. And many people believe that having that Google UX certificate is a guarantee of getting a job.
This job? Oh yeah, I'll get it.
No, the certificate is not going to get you a job. Your portfolio combined with your networking skills will do that. So what is the Google UX course really good for? It can definitely teach you the fundamentals of UX design and UX research with some of the stuff that's not really that commonly used in the industry, but it's there to fill the curriculum. It is a great start into the industry for everyone that's new here.
Welcome to Dumpville. Population, you.
Will the Google course make you job ready? No. Even with the 3 portfolio projects that you'll have at the end of the course, you're still very far from being able to tackle real projects. Now, if your goal is to get a UX job, listen up. After this course, you're gonna end up with a case study, or maybe a couple of case studies with some basic research, some design, customer journey maps, personas, empathy maps, and some more stuff. And this is where it gets tricky. Google is famously not that great at design. So the visual design or the UI design part that Google teaches in that course is at a level that is nowhere close to being employable. To get to that employable level, you need to practice on your own, and you need to practice a lot. Objectively, it's gonna take you a couple of months of daily UI practice, daily UI challenges, and daily work to get to a level closer to employable. Still probably not there yet, but a lot closer. You can speed this up a little bit with my UI courses that I made basically to supplement the Google UX course in terms of the visual side and the UI design side, but even with those, it's still going to take a lot of work. It's just gonna be a little bit faster and a little bit easier for you to understand the why of UI design. So if you want to break it into this industry, chances are you're gonna have to do a lot of UI work. And that work is necessary for another reason. The Google UX course teaches you how to create a professional looking detailed case study following a UX process. And that's all good. Writing a complex term paper like style document might boost your morale, basically proving to you that you can do it.
I was good at it.
But the problem is that nobody's gonna care about your case study.
I don't care if I forget today.
And here's why. When you're still learning, you can't really do real research. So instead you can ask your friends or your family or maybe some people online, but you don't have enough data, you don't have enough real context, and most of the people that you'll be asking aren't really your users because your app doesn't exist. It's a pretend project for the case study. So all that will lead you to create a templatized term paper style research case study that looks like 200,000 other case studies from other junior designers taking that same course. Your skills are not proven in that case study.
I know.
UX.
Show me.
Made up research with made up problems and made up solutions that you're unable to test. Long story short, It's very hard and almost impossible for a company to actually evaluate your research skills based on that case study. They can maybe check some boxes to see if you followed all of the process. There isn't really a lot of any measurable skill in there, and this is what 99% of junior designer case studies suffer from.
You know what? Imitation is the most sincere form of flattery, so I thank you.
So how to solve that and increase your chances of getting a job after the Google UX course? That's easy. Work on the visual side of things. Practice UI to get really good at designing beautiful user interfaces, because that skill is super measurable. If you're really good at it, it's instantly clear to people looking at your portfolio. Those visual skills also come in very handy while presenting your case studies boring parts like the research, because if you can make your charts, your graphs, your data tables, or even the feedback from the users look good, it's actually more engaging, so people are more willing to read through it and they're gonna trust you more as well. So yeah, making those boring parts interesting is gonna make you stand out right away, because almost everybody follows the same boring templates. Don't be like everybody. So here is a short plan for you. Number 1, finish parts 1 to 4 of the Google UX course. They're good enough, you're gonna learn quite a lot, and you're gonna have a good fundamental knowledge of what UX design is, what UX research is, and what methods you could use. Number 2, practice your visual skills and make a great portfolio. And number 3, which is something many people overlook, is networking. So network with other designers on LinkedIn, on Twitter, on Behance, on Dribbble. Just kind of comment on people's work, join some Slack channels, and by the way, we have one for junior designers as well. You need to message me to join it, but just kind of be around, be out there, because if people can see you, then they notice you. That's kind of easy, right? And if you do these 3 things, your chances of getting a job are gonna be way higher. There are no shortcuts to this. In either way, it's gonna take you a lot of work and a lot of effort. And sure, with my courses, it's gonna be a little bit easier and faster, but still it requires a lot from you. A lot of effort, a lot of motivation, a lot of dedication. It's not something you can do in a week or 2. It will take months to get there, but once you get there, it's worth it. So in short, the Google UX course is a great way to learn about the UX fundamentals, but learn the UI parts elsewhere. And of course, have a beautiful day.